I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device model and installing the required iOS update so the system components match the new Apple AI. Once updated, go to Settings and enable AI under Privacy and AI, then sign in with your Apple ID to unlock personalized features. Make sure to set language, voice, and data sharing preferences now. This determines response style and what data the model may use. Doing this first prevents permission prompts later and keeps your experience consistent. Next, configure the AI by granting necessary app permissions, microphone for voice, camera for visual input, and contacts for contextual replies, because the model uses those signals to help you. Once done, feed it 1 to 2 sample prompts to teach your preferred tone and task style. This accelerates relevant outputs. Also, fine-tune memory and personalization controls. Choose what the AI remembers and how often to reset data so results stay useful without over-collecting information. Finish by running 3 representative tasks. Ask a complex question, request a concise summary, and generate a short piece of media to validate capabilities and speed. After testing, tweak settings to optimize responses. If results consistently drift, clear the selected memory entries or retrain using corrected examples so the model relearns your intent. If things go wrong, check network connectivity, confirm permissions, and install the latest patch update. Those steps fix most issues quickly and restore normal
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.